Hi, my name's Scott. Today we are reviewing this wireless solar license plate camera. We're going to go ahead and show you guys everything that you get inside the box. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, two panels on the side, camera in the center. Take off that little piece of tape. You can adjust the camera. So if you want to lower it or lift it up, you can. Bracket on the back. Comes with a manual, antenna, USB Type-C cable mounting, on and off button, wireless on and off, suction cup, power supply, screws for mounting, and all that fun stuff. This is the monitor. So you're going to put the antenna on the back here. You have all your settings on the top right through there as well. So that's the monitor. Now, because we already have a monitor, we're going to use this one. Well, we might use this one. We'll see how we like it. Since we already mounted this up here, we don't want to play with it too much. We're going to go ahead and see if we can set that up with this one as well. Okay, as you guys can see, so here we have the cam. We're going to show you. We're going to install this another time because I want to customize it and play with it a little bit. But you guys can see on the screen here how it looks, and you can adjust the monitor, and ours connected right away, so we had no problems. But yeah, so it's pretty good. We'll probably mount it on our front plate. So our license plate on our Jeep is off to the left side, so the driver's side. So if we mount it on our back side, it's actually going to be off-centered, which can be a little confusing. So we're going to mount it on the front of our Jeep because we have a plate on the front, and that way it's going to be center and we can see in front of us because we already have one for the back. But it's pretty cool. Quality is definitely nice. Yeah, I'm happy with this. And you can see the solar panels on here as well.